Hey guys, hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday the 13th. This is your friendly waste stream analyst, Marcello Arcele, here in the Metro Atlanta. I'm actually at the container shop today. And this video was, I'm creating it in response to the emails that I received. Actually, I've received about just shy of about 14 emails I think I got recently saying, hey Marcello, thanks for the videos that you've done on the front load containers. However, I'm an industrial customer. I'm paraphrasing. And I have open tops, but I'm considering to go with a compactor. Can you give an idea what I should expect, like the type of equipment that's gonna be delivered and how it should look? So I have a video here. Here we go. I'm at the container shop right here, and this is a 3-yard compactor. Okay, so basically the waste comes down from the top, you know, right in there. It comes down and then literally pushes right out into a container. And the container is right over here. This is brand new equipment we're looking at right now, right here, guys. This is a brand new 40-yard compactor receiver box. So the neat thing about this unit is you could drive on the unit. So either you could have a forklift or maybe a dolly, and not even dolly, one of those push kind of units, or even a container, and you could literally just open up this guy right over here, open the door, dump the material if you have a tipper. We can install a tipper if you need as well. So when you bring the material with a forklift, you can literally hook the container, tip it over, bring it back, make it easy. So yeah, this is a 3-yard brand new compactor. A power pack will look similar, like something like this, and we'll attach it to the unit. So this will be the unit that powers that, to get the trash inside the container. Sorry about that, I'm drawing a blank there. See if I can come around here and just show you the back end of the receiver box. All right, well, there you go. The power pack is in there. So here you go. So the trash will literally push right inside the unit and just keeps pushing back in. So there you go. So that's what you're looking at if you get a brand new equipment with us. Hope that gives you a better idea of what if you needed to get a compactor delivered at your facility, how it would look nice and pretty. Mwah. So, hey, happy Friday to you guys. Happy Friday the 13th. Thank you very much for all your support and love. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Be safe out there. Wash your hands. Bye-bye.